G'day guys, what's cracking? Tonight we're going to do a nice fruit salad ice cream combo. It's been very hot here today, around about 35 degrees for most of the day. So yeah, we're feeling a bit hot and steamy and thought that we need something to cool us down, something refreshing. So we come together with some fresh fruit, gourmet ice cream and a bit of tin fruit as well, just to mix it up. Blueberries, peaches, apple, banana, some tin pears and tinned apricots, some very nice vanilla ice cream and a little bit of cream just for a bit of extra indulgence. So what do you reckon?
I reckon I just had an idea.
What is it?
This is going to take forever and people don't watch the whole video.
Right.
So why don't we put it together in time lapse?
Okay, good
Because
idea.
we don't know what we're going to do here yet.
No.
This is a bit of an experiment.
It's
So
going to be a bit creative.
it could drag on a bit. So if we do it in time lapse, guys, it will be a bit quicker, and then we'll get back to you with the result, and we'll put some ice cream in the fruit salad.
Yep.
Fruit salad, yummy, yummy, and then see how it goes.
Well guys, we've prepared the fruit salad. I might get up and show you. So it's got bananas, blueberries, apricot, peaches, apple. We've got some tinned apricots as well and some tinned pears. Can't remember if I mentioned banana and blueberry, I probably did. And we've got some ice cream that we're going to put on top, some nice vanilla ice cream. So we might do that now and give it a try.
Not your standard fruit salad, guys, but what the hell, we thought we'd make something different. And we chucked the blueberries in there, so that should give it a nice little flavour. We've got some beautiful vanilla ice cream.
Yes, we do.
And what I'm going to do, if you would like to scoop it out, Liz, or
The ice cream.
yep, and then we'll chuck some fruit salad on top.
It's gone a bit soft.
Yeah.
Oops, yes it has.
And when I get mine, I'm going to put a bit of the pear juice on it because I like to drizzle that on top. Not a real lot, just a little bit. And then we'll see how that comes out. Good thing I like soft ice cream.
Yeah, I do too. I don't like it too hard.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a very hot day here,
Yeah.
and it's gone a bit soft.
We've had about 2 weeks in a row, guys, of temperatures that have been like between 30 and 35. And every day has been really hot, so that's why we decided we'll
Do some fruit salad.
have a nice refreshing one. Yeah, nice refreshing fruit salad. And I'll put one of these spoons separate. And actually saying that, now, tonight it's cooled off. So now we're in for a couple of weeks of it cooling off. But still, this is a nice meal to have because the weather's, it's summer here, it's still nice and still going to be warm even when the weather cools off. So
It's raining now.
it's raining at the moment. So I've got to make sure I get some of those blueberries in it because they look delicious.
Sometimes
Yes.
I like a bit of cream on top of ice cream.
Which is not my thing, but then I do the drizzling of this stuff, so we've both got our
Yeah,
thing.
I don't like to do that.
We've both got our thing. Just a little bit. Finish it off. So guys, that's the fruit salad.
Looks good to me.
Delicious.
I'll have
Now-
to try.
For the taste test.
Any good?
That's pretty good.
Looks good.
Bit sweet, bit tangy. Not a bad fruit salad. Like I said, not your standard fruit salad, but you know, there's no rules.
No. Do whatever you like.
And that's quite an expensive ice cream too, so it really does match up well with it.
Yeah, that's a gourmet one. I do like the gourmet ones the best. I'm a bit fussy with my ice cream.
Yeah.
I think if I lived in America, I'd be eating Ben and Jerry's every day because I love it. And we can get that here, but only limited range.
Everything's more expensive yours.
And it's very expensive. And hardly any flavours on offer. That's really nice.
Mm.
I like the banana and ice cream.
I was just about to say that. I really wanted to put the banana in it to see what it was like.
Mmm. Banana and ice cream, but even banana and cream.
Mm.
Very nice.
Very nice. And the apple gives it a nice little crunch. And blueberries, a little bit something different, a little bit tangy some of it. Great flavours going on there, guys.
Yeah, it's good. I like the apricot as well. Something different.
So, hope you liked our little summer dessert.
Mmm.
Give it a thumbs up and all that stuff. And don't forget, guys, from 2Aussie and Liz, you can never be too Aussie.
Never be too Aussie.
Hooroo.
Hooroo. Hooroo.
Bye.